If you are encountering Microsoft Visual C++ runtime errors on your Windows 11 system, there are a couple of effective methods to resolve this issue. First, we will address the Visual C++ redistributable packages. Begin by searching for Microsoft C++ redistributable in your Windows search bar and press Enter. Navigate to the official Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable download page. Scroll down to find the x64 version and download it. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file and follow the prompts to repair or install the package. Often, repairing an existing installation or installing the latest version can resolve runtime errors. If the first method does not resolve the problem, we will move on to checking your system files using the command prompt. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on command prompt and select Run as administrator. In the administrative command prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and then press Enter. This command will initiate a system file checker scan, which will detect and attempt to repair any corrupted or missing system files that might be causing the runtime errors. Please allow the scan to complete fully. It may take some time. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.